Hey guys, we're back. It's 6:34. Battling for a Trilogo A-Wing pilot. Copy him here. Let's go up and take a look at him. And there he is. I'm gonna paste my list in here. Oops. A-Wing pilot by Bee. Gonna roll the dice to see how many rounds. Got to get at least a 5. We didn't. So we're gonna do it again until we do. We did there. Heavens. Couldn't be more ready. Here we go, guys. 42 entries. Let us begin. Good luck. Matt, round 1. Dan, 2. Matthew, again, on top. Jay takes round 4. Matt Stone, 5. Adam Mark's in the top spot for round 6. Matt Sorrentino, 7. And 8. And 9. He's on a roll. And 10. Going into the turn. Don Barber takes round 11 with number 17, bringing us, at long last, to the final round. Here we go, and our winner is Matthew Sorrentino in at number 41. Congratulations, sir. Here's our official results. CHPHPU. Probably sounded like something, but I don't know what it would have been. Meaning, I'm done at 6:35 p.m. as seen here. Again, here's the official results. Mr. Sorrentino takes it. Thanks, guys. See you next time.